December is the month that decides everything. If you build momentum now, the next 5 months will be easy. But if you move slow, everything becomes harder. I'm Fauwaz as a business development manager of Revoobit. Let me show you how to build momentum fast. The biggest mistake people make is waiting. Waiting for their team, waiting for the perfect moment, waiting for motivation. But fighters don't wait. Momentum comes from leading first. Momentum comes from your decision to move before everybody else. This challenge is simple. Your entire month depends on your 5 legs. If your 5 legs are strong, you are strong. So the fastest way to build momentum this month is build your 5 legs. Message them today. Create a small group. Tell them the plan, the deadline, the strategy. When your 5 key leaders rise, your whole network rises. Momentum is not built by one big push. Momentum is built by small daily action. You need to follow up every day, not in a negative way, but in an encouraging, motivating, exciting way. Send reminders, send updates, share progress, and share wins. Because when your team sees movement, they feel that movement. One of the fastest ways to build momentum: celebrate every small win. Someone complete repurchase 110 RV, celebrate. Someone make new sponsor, celebrate. Someone finishes early, celebrate. Because energy grows when you give attention to achievement. So, to all Revoobit family members, December is your foundation. If you build momentum now, every month after this become easier. So don't relax, don't wait, and don't move slowly. Start early, push daily, celebrate wins, and lead like a true champion. Let's make December your strongest month ever. So thank you, see you at the top, and bye-bye.